Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I love to make videos about lifestyle, fashion, and vlogs. If you enjoy any of that, then definitely subscribe down below if you haven't already. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing my first ever Fabfitfun unboxing video. So this is my first ever subscription with them, and I'm really excited to see what we are going to open up on this box. So let's go ahead and get started on with the video. Okay, so we're gonna open it and see what we have in here. This is the first ever impression. The box is really cute, very kind of like winterish. So let's see what we have. I'm starting to see some products already, as you can tell. So we're just first going to, ooh, it's like Christmas. This was like my gift to myself this year. Okay, we have a lot of goodies. Okay, so definitely a lot of goodies. Okay, so first it comes with this little magazine. I think this is kind of like their little Fabfitfun magazine, and some things about like their products that are in the box and stuff like that. So this is a fun little kind of read-through. Some other things that also came in the box included like this 9 free meals to HelloFresh, some HBO free trials, and other little coupons as well. Then we have a little sticker. This is really cute. I love how they have different brandings for every single box of the season. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but they do have a different kind of like themes for each box because their boxes are by season. Okay, next we have this DP Hue apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. So this is really exciting for me. I've been looking for so many things for my hair, but this is really exciting. I've never heard of powder, and specifically for dry shampoo, so I'm excited about this. Okay, next I see this Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. This is a wood one, so it looks really cute. I love everything wood, but I'm really excited to try this. I haven't tried this at all ever before. So this is the brand Daily Concepts, and it is also vegan. Next I see this Rhythm of Rain hair mask. Oh my gosh. Okay, see, I think they really listened when I filled out like the little quiz. I mentioned a lot of like hair products because I really need some help with my hair. I feel like I have a lot of dryness, like my hair falls off. I just struggle a lot, and I'm just so excited to try different things. So this is a hair mask, and I'm really excited about this. So I love the packaging. First of all, it's so blue, so pretty. It definitely smells really kind of like oceany. I think that's the way that I can explain it, or earthy kind of vibe. I'm so excited to use this. The next thing I see is this tea seed elixir. This is a balancing beauty oil by Loli, I believe it's called, so Loli. So let's see what this looks like. So this seems to work for both hair and skin. It says apply daily and nightly to clean damp skin or dry hair. I've never tried this brand again, so I love how I get to experiment with different brands for this, so I'm really excited to try this. Next I see a little product. This is a liquid eyeliner. Okay, so this is one of the things that I struggle with on the daily. Liquid eyeliner is just hard for me. I just don't even attempt it. If you guys have seen my videos, like I wear makeup on my videos for the most part, but you never really see me with liquid eyeliner because it's a struggle for me. So I want to see if this one works out for me, if it makes it easier or not. This is by the brand Aesthetica. Next I see this Wei, W-E-I. This is a China Herbal Beauty 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask collection. This packaging is so pretty. Ooh, okay, I love this packaging. It comes with a little brush, as you guys can tell. There is different kinds of masks. So we have like a golden root. Oh, that is the brand, sorry. Okay, there's there's 2 types of masks, I think. So these top ones are some purifying mud masks, and these bottom ones are some Ready Glow exfoliating masks. And as you can tell, the little brush is so cute. It's like a little wood one. So cute. I'm so excited to try this, and let's see what this looks like. Kind of like, yeah, so they're like little containers. They remind me of kind of like little coffees that you put in your coffee machine, but they're so cute. They seem really cute, and I'm excited to try these. Next we have a little Kate Spade New York little, oh, I think these are earrings. Okay, so they came in this little bag. Let's see what is in here. So there seems to be a little bag that is kind of like pinkish, so it looks like this, and this is really cute. And then we have these little earrings that are so pretty. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. There's 2 little packs of earrings. One of them I think is more glittery. They really stand out. They're kind of the same size, but the other one is more like a pearl kind of look. They both have some kind of a like gold around them, and I think they're so pretty. I love studs like this. I think they're so cute, so I'm so excited to be wearing these. Next, there is this below the belt brand. I think this is a little wallet. I'm not sure, but let's go ahead and open it and see. Okay, so this is the little wallet kind of card holder. So if you guys have seen my what's in my bag video, which I will show right here somewhere on the screen, definitely check it out. I love these types of little card holders. These are my go-to. I don't really have a big wallet. This is just kind of the thing that I go for when it comes to carrying out my cards and everything that I need. So this one is really cute. I love the color. It's very different. I usually just go for black, so this is definitely different. It's got a little pocket right here, as you guys can tell, and then it's got 2 little card holders right here, and I think it's really cute. I love the texture of it. Next, I see a bar. So this is a kind thin dark chocolate nuts and sea salt. I think I've tried these bars before, and I specifically love dark chocolate and almonds, so I'm so excited to have this probably tomorrow as a snack. I'm so excited. The last thing that I see is this box. So it's just white, but it says Lily Pulitzer, I think is how you say it. I'm just gonna open it and see what we have inside. Okay. Ooh, okay, so this is what it comes with. This is kind of like the brand kind of style, so they have a lot of bright floral colors, kind of like painting style, so I think these are really cute. This is hard to do with one hand. Give me a sec. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, they're so cute! Okay, so we have 2 mugs of the same one. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love this pattern. As I said, it's kind of like the same kind of painting kind of style. They're so cute. It just says like Lily. I guess it's like their the name of the girl who kind of started this maybe, but they're so cute. I love them. They're so different and like very colorful, and let me show you the other one as well. They are so cute. Oh my gosh. And they also have kind of like this gold like right here on the handle, and I think that's so cute because it makes it like stand out. So I think it's so cute. It's also got the little name Lily Pulitzer, I think it's how you say it, at the bottom. So cute. I love this overall look. It's just so pretty. It definitely stands out a lot. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that is in the box. I'm so excited to try everything, and especially these mugs. Like, I'm so using this tomorrow morning. I'm so excited. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. It would make me so happy, and I hope you're having a beautiful day or night. I will talk to you guys next in another video. Let me know if you would like for me to do a favorites video to kind of let you guys know if I have enjoyed these products and stuff like that, because I'm definitely going to start using them right away. So I'll talk to you guys next in my other video. Hope you're having a beautiful day or night. Bye guys.